Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your GCU Parent Portal. So let's get started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in GCU Portal, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL at gcuportal.gcu.edu. In my case, it's the first one. Now, among all the different portals, tap on Parent Access. And here is where you provide your email address and password to log into your account. So go ahead and provide your email address in the text field given for email address.
This is equal to the login page.
Then type your password in the text field given for password. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it by tapping on the text that says forgot your password. Now to log into your account, all you gotta do is tap on the login button and you'll be successfully logged in if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries and questions in the comment section below. I will be happy to help.